makakaya ng kanilang presentation. Ang nila kaya ang ilang sa mga pagpigil sana sa baha na sinsira.
Our sea is the heart of our community. We fish here, we play here, and we make memories with it. But right now, it is filled with trash that doesn't belong here. Ready to turn things around? Here's what we're doing, with a little fun along the way!
Every single piece of trash removed from shores within helps protect our fishes, our beaches, and our future.
Every piece of trash we keep out of the sea helps build a healthier future for our planet.
Our oceans have birthed us for generations, so now it's our time to care for them. Together, we can keep our seas sparkling clean. Remember, trash belongs to me, not to the ocean.